Welcome guys to this tutorial. In this video I will be talking about how you can create your custom URL or how you can change your custom URL in YouTube if you have created the custom URL previously. So let's start with discussing the requirements for creating the custom URL, and here I have opened a support page which describes the requirements. So first of all, you need to have 100 or more subscribers, be at least 30 days old. The channel should be at least 30 days old, have uploaded a profile picture, have uploaded a banner image. And then also, in case you want to change your custom URL, you can see here that you can remove and set up a new custom URL for your channel up to 3 times per year, meaning that you cannot change it every single day. That will be too much. So only up to 3 times per year. If you move your YouTube channel to another account, you need to remove your custom URL from your account, then set up a custom URL on your new account after 72 hours. If this information will be updated, I will put a new link to this support page as well. So in order to change your or create your custom URL, you need to go to YouTube Studio. So here I am in the studio. This will work in the same way on the phone. However, I would like to point out that you would need to go not to the app, but open it through any browser. So for example, Chrome, Safari, and so on, and then go to www.studio.youtube.com, and this will look exactly the same. The reason for this is that through browser you would have the same layout as you can see right here. Then click on this icon, customization. This will open a new window, and press basic info, and then you can see here channel URL. So for me, I have already created a custom URL. If I would want to change this information, I would have to delete this and then create a new custom URL, which would be the option here. But also please note that the custom URL will be based on this information. So for example, here I have created a channel name. However, let's say I want, instead of instructions how, I want to, let's say my new channel name will be ABC. So I would have to press here and then change the name here. The reason for this is that when you are creating a new channel name, YouTube will take the information from here and you cannot change it here. However, you will be able to add additional information afterwards. So for example, if my new channel name would be ABC, so it would be ABC, and then I can put additional information afterwards. So for example, ABC, and then create the custom URL for ABC123, for example. But you would find the option to create the custom URL right here, and if you would have changed the name recently in this box, then you would be able to select which custom URL you want, so your previous name or the new name you would recently change it here. So I hope that this tutorial is useful. Please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section.